This is another quick update on Kharma Billiat. So there is news right now that Kharma Billiat wants to go back to Sundowns. So I'm gonna play a video for you, ladies and gentlemen. This video is showing Kharma Billiat filming at Quantum in Zimbabwe. This Quantum has a picture of him at the back. So without any further ado, let me play the video. So you've seen the video. This was Kharma Billiat filming. This is his official Twitter account, and the caption is, "I appreciate the love that I get." So is he reminiscing about his good times at Sundowns, or he wants to go back at Sundowns because there have been news that at Kaizer Chiefs he has an attitude? Is he directly sending a message to those teammates that say he has an attitude at Kaizer Chiefs to say that I can go back to Sundowns if I want to? Or is he just, just a normal day in Zim, just filming a picture, of him at the back of a Quantum, and he's just having fun? So people have taken it to mean that maybe he, is fed up with the criticism he's getting at Chiefs, that apparently he has a bad attitude, he wants the ball to be passed to him all the time and stuff like that. So I'm not I just want to hear your opinion, ladies and gentlemen, because this could be concerning, or it's just maybe it's just having just another day, and we shouldn't think much of it. Maybe we shouldn't overanalyze it. But a lot of people here have made comments, both people from Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, this one is Tlantla Tlhabisa. Tlantla says, "We gave you love and support at Masandawana, but you left. But when you left, you didn't thank us. Whatever happened between you and Sir Peter or the club, as supporters, asihlangene. Ukuthi nje ngiyabonga amasandawana supporters bekuyini, kodwa ke asikubambe igqubu, good luck." And then there's another one from Kaizer Chiefs fan, Bongs. He says, "Tell that taxi driver to change it to Kaizer Chiefs color." All right. So there's people, another one says he loves him as a Downs player. Chiefs colors will make his taxi look horrible. All right, this is like Kaizer Chiefs fans versus Sundowns fans, Sundowns fans versus Kaizer Chiefs fans. So this is interesting. So I want to hear what you ladies and gentlemen have to say. You've seen the video, you've seen the comments. Give your thoughts, put your comments, like this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you.